Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question taken from JEE Main exam of 2023. The question is based on two concepts: collision of two bodies and the motion of a body projected horizontally from a height. Read the question carefully. A ball of mass 200 grams rests on a vertical post of height 20 meters. A bullet of mass 10 grams traveling in horizontal direction hits the center of the ball. After collision, both travel independently. The ball hits the ground at a distance 30 meters and the bullet at a distance of 120 meters from the foot of the post. The value of initial velocity of the bullet will be if g is equal to 10 meters per second square. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Now for the solution. Now let us consider the projectile motion first. The time to reach the ground will be the same for both the ball and the bullet. Therefore, we can write T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T, say. Now, for the vertically downward motion for both the ball and the bullet, we have got initial velocity u is equal to 0 and height of fall h is equal to 20 meters and acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity, which is equal to 10 meters per second square. We wish to find the value of time t. So we'll be using the equation h is equal to ut plus half at square. Putting the values, we get for h we put 20 is equal to u is equal to 0, therefore ut is equal to 0 plus half into a is equal to acceleration due to gravity 10 into t square, which simplifies to 20 is equal to 5t square. Therefore, t is equal to 20 by 5 root over, which is equal to root over 4, or we can write t is equal to 2 seconds. The horizontal motion of both the ball and the bullet are uniform because the only acceleration acting on both is the acceleration due to gravity, which has got no component in the horizontal direction. Therefore, velocity of the ball v1 is equal to s by t, which is equal to 30 meters divided by 2 seconds, which is equal to 15 meters per second. Now for the bullet, the distance travelled s is equal to 120 meters and the time of course is 2 seconds. Therefore, its velocity v2 will be equal to s by t, which is equal to 120 by 2, which is equal to 60 meters per second. It is given in the question that a bullet of mass 10 grams traveling in the horizontal direction hits the center of the ball. After collision, both travel independently. Therefore, we will apply the principle of conservation of linear momentum. So we write the equation for the principle of conservation of linear momentum. m1 u1 plus m2 u2 should be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, where m1 and m2 are the masses of the ball and the bullet respectively, and u1 and u2 are the initial velocities, and v1 and v2 are their final velocities after collision. Since initial velocity of the ball is equal to 0, this one u1 is equal to 0. Therefore, we simplify the equation, which becomes M2U2 is equal to M1V1 plus M2V2. Now we'll put the values. Now putting the values, the mass of the bullet is equal to 10 grams. Therefore, we write 10 divided by 1000 in kg into V, because the the initial velocity of the bullet is equal to, we assume it is V. Therefore, we want to find out the value of V. On the RHS of the equation, M1V1. M1 is the mass of the ball, which is 200 grams. Therefore, 200 divided by 1000 into V1 plus 10 divided by 1000 into V2. Now, cancelling 1000 is the denominator for the entire equation. We get 10V is equal to 200 into V1. V1 is 15 plus 10 into V2. V2 is 60. Now simplifying, we get 200 into 15 is 33,000. 15 to 30 and 2 zeros, plus 10 into 60 is 600. Adding them, we get 3,600, the value of 6V. Therefore, V will be equal to 3600 divided by 10 is equal to 360 meters per second, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is 4. 4 is the correct option. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching.